Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our profile update, right? So right now from here you can access that profile, update that images, update that name, that means which user is logging, so this username and then email address, right? So right now I want to do, I didn't add that toaster. So friend, in our basic project, I have already discussed about that things with you, how can add that toaster. So better I want to actually get this file from our this project. So that is our basic project. Into the basic project I have already shared that things with you, right? So right now I don't want to re-code it again, so that will be just like that same. If you go to the resources, into the resources folder, with the view, so here I have already did the same things in our admin, into the admin, in our admin master, right? So here I have used it. Now I open it, the sublink text. So into the sublink text here, that is actually 3 file will be needed. You can see there is actually a toaster. So right now I copy this first file as a toaster CDN. I copy it, and now in our this project, that means this dashboard as a user, and here for the user, that is our user master, right? So into the user master I have already loaded all that our CSS and the JSS. So that is all that our CSS, right? So make that sure after that style, okay? After that style you have to use it, rather than it will be not working perfectly. So after that style, and then I load our toaster CDN CSS. Okay friend, so now I simply load it, and then also we need another file, that means the JavaScript file. I copy it, and then CSS, and then there is actually our JS, right? So that is our toaster JS, and also this script will be needed. So in fundamental I have already discussed about everything one by one with you. So right now I copy total things, okay? I copy total things from here, that is our script, and then there is our toaster mean.js. So I copy both of these, and now go to our user, that means in our user, so that is our user template. So now I want to do here, I also want to use it. So after that is all that JS, okay? After that JS, before this body here I paste it. Perfect. So that's all we have to do. So I simply updated this portion. Now click as a save all. So right now we don't need this, I simply remove it. So now if you want to add that toaster, I think you already know what exactly the things you have to do. So that is our data. So when it will be saved, okay? After that save, I want to take on the variable. I name it as a notification array, right? So that will be as a notification array. So into this array here we have to do, I put as a semicolon, and then first of all that will be as a message. So which type of message you want to visible? So here I want to visible, it will be display as a profile or user profile, okay? User profile updated successfully. Okay, so this type of one of the message it will be display, right friend? And also after that we have to use our type, right? So that means if you go to that our script, that means if you go here, there is our type, there is also another alert type. So now I want to use this alert type. Our alert type will be right now I want to use it. You can use that as a info, you can use that success, warning, and the error. So right now I need to use that as a info or success, but I need to use that success, okay? I copy it, so that will be as a success. Perfect. So that's all. And after that we have to pass this notification. So return redirect to our route our this user profile page with the notification. So I use that with, and with our this notification, right friend? So that's all. Okay, so that's all for display our toaster message. Now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, and now go there, now I click as a refresh, and now I want to change it, the name, I make it as a user1. Now click as a update. Yes, you can see it's now perfectly visible our toaster message as a user profile updated successfully, right friend? That means everything is working great. Now click as edit profile again. I want to change it, I make it as a only user. I change that image, I change this one. Now click as update it again. Yeah, you can see user profile updated successfully. That means everything is now perfect for our user. Okay, so how can display that toaster? I think it should be very much clear to you. Only 3 files will be needed. One is the main.js, that is our one of the script will be needed, and then our CDN for the CSS. So that is our toaster CSS. Okay, so 3 of this file we have to add it, and then simply add that notification, which type of message you want to display, our alert type, and then our which position it should be displayed with this notification. So that's all. Okay, perfect. So friend, we successfully complete our user profile details. Now in our next video I want to discuss about that password change option. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.